Right, so I've just finished work and it's absolutely glorious sunshine. Unfortunately, there's not enough hours in the day for me to get on the roof and get my solar fitted. And it's going to be a bigger job than I thought. Roof is curved, solar panels flat. I've got to raise the one side up on, going to do it on L brackets. So yeah, that's going to be interesting. So I've got to do all the measurements and everything for that. But for today, the main thing I need to get done for the van today is to replace my diesel heater. And as you can see, I am fully loaded up. And I've got to get everything organised first, because that diesel heater has decided to, first of all, the pump has sprung a leak. And then all of a sudden, throughout the middle of the night, for no apparent reason, will just click itself on and it'll just start venting. I've checked all of the airways, everything's clear, but it just decides to start venting and it won't shut off. I have to pull the fuse on it, wait at least half an hour, plug it back in before it'll start working again properly. So when it's venting, it's just blowing air, no heat or anything like that. And the diesel pump itself has actually sprung a leak, so it's actually leaking diesel. So I've just thought, rather than try and mess about and getting this one working properly, I'm just going to replace it. So a bit of a clean up in here first, and then I'll get to it. So yeah, wish me luck. Instructions? Who needs instructions? That's now priming. Wow, it's got fuel already. Right, so once it's primed, according to this, it's going to take... Oh wow, it's got temperature controls and everything on there. So this one is supposed to be all temperature controlled. It's supposed to click in and off, on and off whenever needed. That pump is a hell of a lot quieter. In fact, that's pretty much almost a silent pump. I'm impressed with that. My last one was like proper loud. You probably heard it on some of the other videos, but still, I'll check in again once it's fully primed and up and running. Good grief, look at what doing this has done to my hair. Luckily I'm having it done in a bit. So yeah, diesel heater is fully fitted. Was trying to prime all the diesel cables, and the battery ran out of power, so I've got it on charge now. So those wires that look messy over the top of my diesel heater, those are actually the chargers. So I've actually plugged the van into the mains, because I've also got to charge my lithium batteries as well. I've got a new 200 amp hour lithium battery as leisure battery to go in the front to run all my 12 volts, and then obviously I've got my lithium battery systems that run all of my mains power, because it's got the 2,500 watt inverter on it. So I will be upgrading soon to there's a battery called Apex 300. It's Bluetti, and it will literally do everything, so it will just be one battery system. And there we go, it's just finished aerating, set the temperature, and it's turned itself off, so it's going to turn on and off whenever I need it now. So basically it's like having central heating in your van. I look an absolute bloody mess. I'm going to go and get my hair done, so I'll see you in the next video.